Here's a quick and easy soldering tip for doing multiple solder joints. Just get one of these $3 soldering irons from Harbor Freight. The opening actually, if I can get it to focus, it's about perfect for bullet connectors. So you just take your bullet connector. Okay, that one's pretty hot. Just take your bullet connector. Tap it right in, it fits snug. Give it a couple seconds to warm up. Add just a touch of solder. Pick up solder on there. You just take your wire. This wire's not even tinned. Just twist a little bit. So I've got an untinned wire here. You just drop it right in. It's actually a lot easier with two hands. But as soon as you hit it with the pliers to pull it out, normally what I would do is straighten it up with one pair of pliers and pull it out with the other. But you can see as soon as I touch these pliers to it, it's going to start to solidify because of the heat sink. Can't get it to focus here. There we go. Anyway, you can't see it, but it already started to solidify. When you pull it out, you got a quick, easy solder. It's actually a lot faster than that, but there you go. One-handed solder.